Michael's 383 Big Block Mopar, which he did a custom turbo kit on. You can see he's got like the log here that he custom welded, the crossover pipe to a big single eBay turbo. Alongside that, he's got new heads on this thing, new cam, a super sniper, and that's up top here. It's got 8 injectors and it's wired up kind of temporarily here for braking bit. Oh. Base of it, no base of it, yeah. Yeah.
I'll have to be like that in straight pipe mode. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't know, dude. That's gonna create some drag.
But in turbo mode?
Oh, okay.
Maybe a little Cali sideways lean there.
Before we actually do any braking in, we gotta prime the motor, get the oil going. So Michael's got the drill with the adapter in where the distributor goes right now, and we're spooling it up to build some oil pressure. Yeah, you're way up now, like 75. I think she's spicy, dude. She's a hot tamale.
I think the timing's way off. It was firing.
Smoking going on.
I just need to, time the motor. Like, it was getting better. So I just threw it in at whatever, at like close. But now it's pouring oil over here onto the header. So I'm gonna put the valve cover gasket in.
So we just turned the timing like 60 degrees the other way and it actually fired and I missed it. Sorry, but here we go. I thought you were saying kill it. Dude, that's not quiet.
No.
Yeah, you're making it out when you're out here. It's way more quiet in there. You're like, dude, it's quiet. Dude, that thing's not fucking quiet.
It's water, yeah. It accelerated.
It's drinkable.
It accelerated.
I know.
Oh, 100% potable water.
Dude, like, the nips are hard for that, dude. They're fucking let's.
The next day.
Michael making some adjustments. She's getting a little hot right now, so tiny bit of a cool down. I'll give her some Powerade. Sounds pretty good.
Sounds awesome.
Sounds like a monster tractor.
Yeah, it has an exhaust leak. It's coming out of that muffler right there. If we took it off, it wouldn't sound like that.
Added some fuel to make her a bit cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's getting hot, boys. Water is kicking it down fast, though. This is epic.
It's so loud.
Is that complete?
Yeah. How much air does that thing use? A lot. Okay, soon turn the two-step on, so we'll be using that.
He's gonna two-step it to celebrate finishing breaking in, and I'm gonna step back. Having a bit of an issue right now with the sniper not returning to 0 on the TPS. It just stays at 3 even after we cycle the ignition. So the IAC isn't climbing down, it's stuck up, making this thing idle high. Well, was this something weird with the tune? We re-uploaded it and it's fine now. And that concludes break-in day. Michael Coronet, do you have anything to say for the people?
Fast. I haven't driven it, but I can smell it.
I'll go rat hose.
Fuck you.
It looks like the trunk, like the nose of that guy from Star Wars. I'll put it
trunk.
like it's like an elephant trunk and he's got like a fucking nose.
Oh yeah, fucking guy.
Yeah.